Side to side.
What's up guys? Right now it is currently 7:10. You're probably wondering why is this vlog starting at the night. My friend is giving away a Buddy Club short shifter, handing me down since he got a cutie short shifter. So I'm super excited. I'm about to head down there with Gavin. And we are about to go get a free cardboard, bro. He's giving it for me for free, so we're gonna go check it out. Let's get it.
It's short, bro. This is from side to side.
Holy crap! That is so short.
Yeah,
that makes a difference. So you really have that driver's mod when you go shifting down.
Yeah, now it will.
This is the piece. The piece.
It's already got the little silicone thing, so you don't have to reuse yours if you don't want to. Mounts, so all you do is pop them in.
Big shout out to Alex. If y'all guys haven't already, follow him. I'll leave the tag right here. Y'all guys need to follow him. Shout out to him, bruh. This is his 9th gen right here. You know, 9th gen game, but check out these wheels. These are sick. Check that out. It's really clean. I mean, well, shit, he's kind of lower than me. Fuck, it make me look like something else. Oh, I'm so excited. Fuck. How excited are you? I mean, I'm pretty excited. I mean, I'm ready to stay up. Fuck college. Fuck college. I'm about to go on a ride in Alex's car. Let's test out this short shifter real quick.
I got the skunk tube downpipe and the N1, and it's all 3-inch catless, so it's wide open.
Oh shit! Holy crap! What is it? It feels a lot harder when you're in here. Damn, I don't know if y'all guys can hear that, but that exhaust, yeah, it's pretty loud, guys.
Yeah, full 3-inch, bro. It gets loud. I would say we could do a fun run, but
no, I don't think so. After what you have in here,
this actually isn't even what I paid for. I actually bought the air fresheners.
Yeah. Actually, these air fresheners right here, they actually give 10 horsepower, guys.
Yeah, I could actually drive with just the shift linkages if I wanted to.
This button right here, it turns on the turbo.
Yeah.
Right there. Yeah.
And then you can do 1 turbo, 2 turbo, 3 turbo, 4 turbo, 5.
And if you want to turn up the PSI, you just press this.
Yeah.
Boom.
And then CD means crazy driving fast. That's what that means.
Oh fuck. Well shit, man, I appreciate it for the Buddy Club shifter. I appreciate it, bro. Like
I said, if I'm not using it and you need it, it's yours, bro.
Remember, y'all guys follow him down below. His tag is right here. Boom.
Right here.
Boom. Boom. Cool sound effects.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so we finally got the old housing out and we're about to put in the brand new Buddy Club housing. I already did an install about this before, so y'all guys should already know. If y'all guys already haven't checked that video first on how to install it. So that's why I'm just kind of scanning through this, guys. We finally got the short shifter in here, so now we're just doing the test drive. Oh shit, yeah, that actually feels a lot different. I feel like my shifting is slightly quicker. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time in the next one.